Python. Ease of learning. Python's clear and concise syntax makes it easy for beginners to grasp fundamental programming concepts. Power. Python's versatility and extensive libraries empower developers to build anything from web applications to machine learning models. Prospects. Python's popularity continues to rise, especially in fields like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. JavaScript. Ease of learning. JavaScript is beginner-friendly, with a straightforward syntax and immediate feedback in web browsers. Power. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, enabling dynamic and interactive web applications. Prospects. With the rise of frameworks like React and Node.js, JavaScript remains in high demand for both front-end and back-end development. Java. Ease of learning. Java's strict syntax encourages good programming practices and is relatively easy to understand. Power. Java's platform independence and robustness make it ideal for enterprise-level development and large-scale applications. Prospects. Java remains a staple in the industry, particularly in enterprise software development and Android app development. C#. Ease of learning. C# offers a syntax similar to Java and is well documented, making it accessible to beginners. Power. C# is widely used in game development with Unity, desktop software with .NET, and web development with ASP.NET. Prospects. With Microsoft's continued investment in .NET and the popularity of Unity for game development, C# offers promising career opportunities. Swift. Ease of learning. Swift's modern syntax and readability make it appealing to beginners, especially those interested in iOS and macOS development. Power. Swift is designed for performance and safety, making it suitable for building high-performance applications. Prospects. As the primary language for iOS and macOS app development, Swift offers significant prospects in the thriving Apple ecosystem. Ruby. Ease of learning. Ruby's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners. Power. Ruby's focus on developer happiness and productivity has led to the creation of the popular web framework Ruby on Rails. Prospects. While its popularity has declined slightly, Ruby remains relevant, especially in startups and web development agencies. SQL. Ease of learning. SQL's declarative nature and straightforward syntax make it relatively easy to learn for beginners. Power. SQL is essential for managing and querying relational databases, which are the backbone of many applications. Prospects. SQL skills are in demand across various industries, especially as data continues to play a crucial role in decision-making. Golang. Ease of learning. Go's simple syntax and minimalism make it easy for programmers to pick up. Power. Go is known for its efficiency, concurrency support, and suitability for building scalable back-end systems. Prospects. As cloud-native development and microservices architecture gain traction, Go's prospects in back-end development are promising. Rust. Ease of learning. While Rust has a steeper learning curve, its strict compiler helps developers write safe and efficient code. Power. Rust's focus on memory safety and performance makes it suitable for systems programming and building low-level software. Prospects. With its growing adoption in industries like web browsers, operating systems, and blockchain, Rust offers promising career opportunities. Kotlin. Ease of learning. Kotlin's modern syntax and seamless interoperability with Java make it easy for Java developers to transition to. Power. Kotlin is officially supported for Android development by Google and offers concise syntax and null safety features. Prospects. With its growing popularity in Android app development and adoption by companies like Google and JetBrains, Kotlin offers exciting career prospects. These 10 programming languages offer a balance of ease of learning, power, and promising career prospects, making them valuable choices for both beginners and experienced developers alike.